Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how does PayPal Refund work in 2025? If you've ever made a purchase online and things didn't go as planned, knowing the refund process can save you time and hassle. PayPal, one of the world's leading digital payment platforms, has streamlined its refund system over the years, and by 2025, it's even more user-friendly with advanced features like AI-powered dispute resolution. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is a PayPal refund? It's a way to get your money back if a transaction goes south. Think items not arriving, being damaged, or not as described. In 2025, PayPal's system is faster and more secure, thanks to updated algorithms that handle claims in real time. To start the process, log into your PayPal account. Head over to the Resolution Center, which is now enhanced with voice commands for quicker navigation. From there, select Report a Problem and choose the transaction you want to dispute. You'll need to provide details like what went wrong and any evidence, such as photos or receipts. PayPal's AI will then review your claim almost instantly, often within minutes, compared to the hours it used to take. Once submitted, PayPal will contact the seller for a response. If the seller agrees, you'll get your refund directly. If not, it escalates to PayPal's buyer protection team, which in 2025 uses blockchain verification to ensure fair outcomes. Remember, not all purchases qualify. Eligible items include physical goods, but services might have restrictions. One cool update for 2025 is the Instant Reversal feature for verified users, where refunds can hit your account in under 24 hours. Always keep an eye on fees. Sometimes, PayPal charges for international refunds. To avoid issues, double-check your purchase details before confirming. In summary, PayPal refunds are straightforward and more efficient than ever. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just curious, understanding this process empowers you to shop with confidence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.